Welcome to our English listening channel. Hello everyone. Today you will follow a simple conversation between two adults who are planning and experiencing their first family trip to New York City. Have you ever visited New York? Do not worry. The characters will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story.
Charlie, I think we should visit New York this summer.
New York? That sounds exciting. I have never been there.
Me neither. It will be our first time.
What do you want to see there?
I want to see Times Square and Central Park.
Yes, and the Statue of Liberty, too.
Perfect. How many days should we stay?
Maybe 5 days. That is enough time.
Good idea. Let me look at hotels now.
Okay, I will check the flight prices. Did you find a good hotel?
Yes, this one looks nice. It is near Times Square.
How much does it cost?
It is $150 per night.
That is okay. The flights are not too expensive either.
Great. Should we book everything now?
Yes, let us do it. Here is my credit card.
Perfect. I am booking the hotel first.
And then we book the flights.
Done. We are going to New York. We need to pack our clothes now.
How many shirts should I bring?
Bring 5 or 6. We are staying 5 days.
Okay. What about jackets?
Yes, bring a jacket. The evenings can be cool.
Good idea. Do not forget your camera.
I already packed it. And I packed the chargers too.
Perfect. Are the bags almost ready?
Almost. We just need to add shoes.
Great. Tomorrow we travel to New York. Here is our check-in counter.
Good. Do you have the passports?
Yes, I have them here in my bag.
Perfect. And the boarding passes?
We will get them now at the counter.
Okay. How many bags are we checking?
2 big suitcases. We can carry the small bags.
Good. What time does our flight leave?
At 10:30, we have 1 hour.
That is enough time. Let us go to the gate. We are finally on the plane.
Yes, the flight is about 2 hours.
That is not too long. Are you comfortable?
Yes, the seats are okay. Are you excited?
Very excited. I cannot wait to see New York.
Me too. What do you want to do first?
Let us go to the hotel first and then walk around.
Good plan. Maybe we can find a nice restaurant.
Yes, I want to try real New York pizza.
Me too. This will be a great trip. This is our hotel. It looks very nice.
Yes, it does. Let us check in.
Here is our reservation number.
Thank you. What floor is our room on?
We are on the 10th floor.
Perfect. Does the room have a nice view?
Yes, we can see the city from the window.
Wonderful. Should we go to the room now?
Yes, let us put our bags in the room first.
Then we can start exploring New York. Wow, this is Times Square. It is amazing.
Yes, look at all the tall buildings and lights.
There are so many people here.
I know, it is very busy. Should we take some photos?
Yes, let me get the camera. Stand over there.
Okay. Can you see the buildings behind me?
Yes, perfect. Smile. That is a great photo.
Now let me take a photo of you.
Okay, how do I look?
Beautiful. This is a wonderful memory. I am very hungry after all that walking.
Me too. This diner looks nice and traditional.
What do you want to eat?
I want a burger and French fries.
That sounds good. I will have the same.
Should we order drinks too?
Yes, I want a cola. What about you?
I will have lemonade. It is very hot today.
Good choice. The food here smells delicious.
I agree. I am happy we found this place. Central Park is so beautiful and peaceful.
Yes, it is very different from Times Square.
I like hearing the birds and seeing the trees.
Me too. Look at that lake over there.
It is lovely. Can we walk around it?
Yes, let us follow this path.
The weather is perfect today.
I know. It is warm, but not too hot.
Should we sit on a bench and rest?
Good idea. Let us sit for a few minutes. Look, there is the Statue of Liberty.
Oh, wow. It is so big and impressive.
Yes, it is even better than in photos.
I cannot believe we are really here.
Me neither. This is a special moment.
Should we take more photos?
Yes, let us take photos with the statue behind us.
Perfect. Can you ask someone to take our photo?
Sure, we need a family photo here.
This will be our favorite memory from the trip. We should buy some souvenirs for our friends.
Good idea. What should we get?
How about these small Statue of Liberty models?
Yes, they are nice. And they are not expensive.
I also want to buy some postcards.
Okay. Look at these magnets. They are cute.
Yes, let us buy 3 magnets and 5 postcards.
Perfect. Do you want a t-shirt too?
No, I have enough clothes. Let us pay now.
Okay. Everyone will love these gifts. I cannot believe tomorrow is our last day.
I know. This trip went by so fast.
What was your favorite part?
I loved seeing the Statue of Liberty. It was amazing.
Yes, that was special. I also enjoyed Central Park.
Me too. It was so peaceful and green.
We took so many beautiful photos.
Yes, we will have great memories forever.
Should we come back to New York someday?
Definitely. There is still so much to see.
I hope this video helped you improve your English. Have you ever visited New York City? Or would you like to go there someday? Please share your answer in the comments. Practicing simple travel conversations like this can help you speak with more confidence when you visit new places. If you enjoyed following this family trip, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Thank you for learning with us. See you next time. Goodbye.